Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect Wise with Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So if you go here to the left side of your screen, here you're going to find all of these sections. So right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and so on. Here under sales channel, you're going to find online store and also point of sales. And also here, you're going to find your applications. So right now, the first thing that you need to do, guys, in order to connect Wise to Shopify is go to your settings. Once you go to settings, here in the left, you're going to find all these settings. You're going to find your general settings, plan, billing, users and permissions, payments, and so on. So click on payments. And after that, right here, you're going to find payment providers, supported payment methods, payment capture methods, and so on. So right now, just go here to payment method, click on add a payment method, and then you can search by the payment method. So just click here on search, and then right here, you can add your card details. In order to add your Wise card, first of all, you need to have a Wise account. So just search for Wise here. And then if you don't have an account yet, make sure you open a business account. Click on open an account and then follow the steps to create your Wise account and to get your Wise card. After that, you can just add your card details here in payments on Shopify, and then you're going to be able to connect it to your store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.